accompaniment.
Hello guys, welcome back to the drinks gallery. In this video I am going to prepare a beautiful refreshing summer cocktail Tokyo iced tea, which is the variation of very popular IBA official cocktail Long Island iced tea, and it contains strong alcoholic strength.
For this preparation we need ingredients like is vodka, white rum, silver tequila, dry gin, triple sec, melon liqueur, soda lime water, lemon juice and simple syrup. We use hurricane glass. As a garnish we use pineapple leaves, lemon slice and cherry. For this cocktail, first of all put one slice of lemon into the glass, then put 2 ice balls made from melon liqueur. Put another slice of lemon and fill the glass with another melon ice ball. Then add 15 ml vodka, 15 ml white rum, 15 ml silver tequila, 15 ml dry gin, 15 ml triple sec, 15 ml simple syrup, 15 ml lemon juice and some splash soda lime water. Then put some crushed ice and top with 15 ml melon liqueur. Finally add the pineapple leaves and cherry as a garnish and put straw. Tokyo iced tea is ready.
Actually, I am a seafood lover, so I choose a dish of this brown crab as accompaniment with this Tokyo iced tea. If you want to know about the brown crab and its recipe, please check the link in description box.